Hello everyone, my name is Chok and today I'm going to do a briefing on my project proposal, which is on an e-commerce system about edible bird nests. I decided to name this system an eBNF because it means Electronic Bird Nest Farm, and it is also dedicated towards my stakeholder, which is Mr. Chok. Now I'm going to explain about why do I need to make this system for him. Now I'm going to talk about need of making the eBNF system. The vendor, Mr. Chok, has to constantly tackle these three problems shown on the slide. The first problem is the constant engagement with clients. The vendor, Mr. Chok, has to invest in extra effort into multitasking, which is taking orders from clients, which can happen at any time. He has to also secure a source of raw bird nests and process them. The second problem is the inefficient transaction record method he's currently using. He actually uses a phone in order to record all transactions made during like a set period. So that means that when he wants to revisit all like records, transaction records, that means he has to invest in more time and effort in order to do so. And that will also complicate the calculation of cost and profit margins, as the previous step is already like a bit difficult for him. As for the third problem, the payments are done through inefficient methods. His clients has to pay him through his bank account, which means that the clients has to wait for him in order to send his bank account to them, and then afterwards, then they can complete the payment transaction. So now we are going to look at the approach of the eBNF system. The eBNF system will provide a platform for clients to browse through the products. It will come with a cart system to streamline ordering processes for the clients. The clients will have to put in their orders into the cart and then check out once. The system also utilizes a payment API such as Stripe for the payment transactions. The clients will have a more secure and a better experience in doing the payment transactions. As for the vendor will also benefit from the eBNF system, as it will optimize transaction management by recording them into the system. That means the vendor doesn't have to manually record the transactions in his phone anymore. And also the system will also come with a business analytic tool to generate data analytics from recorded transactions. It also comes with an optional report generation for record purposes. Let's say that if the vendor wants to do a documentation for his business, he can just use this functionality in order to generate a report for him. Now we're going to look at the benefits of the eBNF system. First of all, it will ensure systematic handling of the orders. The vendor only needs to handle a batch of orders instead of receiving one by one from the client through his telephone. The next thing is that clients will be more satisfied with the ordering process, since the clients only need to click a few prompts in order to place their order. And thirdly, the system also offers data analytics from the vendor to monitor the sustainability of the business. Sometimes hand calculations might not show all aspects of the business, so this is where the data analytics will come in handy. The system also ensures the payment process for the clients is easy and secure. Now, I'm going to talk about the competitors to the eBNF system. First of all, I'm going to talk about the Zenfeng Equities Company and the Mynesis Company. Both of these companies operate a bird nest business website. Both of them offer a platform for clients to make orders, but for the Zenfeng Equities, they don't offer a card system, while the Mynesis one, they do. But unfortunately for their website, loading time between web pages are slow. Both of these competitors, even though they only offer me a website to view, but they do provide me with valuable information that my eBNF system should contain in order to attract clients who wants to buy bird nests. As for Shopee, it serves as a baseline for an e-commerce system and also for my eBNF system. It's because that I need to refer to Shopee in order to know the basic functionalities that an e-commerce needs to have. As for another point, as considering Shopee as my competitor, is to understand the interface layout that can be used as a reference for my eBNF system. So in conclusion, the reason I'm going to develop the eBNF system for my stakeholder, Mr. Chuan Fat, is to digitalize a part of his business process to also bring in many benefits for him, which include extra effort into improving other aspects of the business, such as more time in securing a better source of raw birdnest, a better user experience for their clients, and also clients will also be more willing to revisit the business due to the better user experience. So I think that's all for my proposal video, and thank you for watching.